Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy coleslaw dressing. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of zesty Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of aromatic celery seed, and a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome for your homemade coleslaw. Now, let's combine these wonderful flavors to create your perfect dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, add the 1 cup of mayonnaise. Next, pour in the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and the 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed. Finally, add your salt and pepper. Whisk all these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined, with no lumps remaining. Once your dressing is thoroughly mixed, it's time to fine-tune the flavors to your liking. Take a small taste and consider if you prefer it sweeter or tangier. For more tang, simply add another splash, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. If you desire more sweetness, stir in an additional 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. If the dressing seems too thick, you can thin it slightly with 1 or 2 teaspoons of milk or water until it reaches your desired consistency. With your dressing perfected, it's time to bring your coleslaw to life. Gently pour the creamy dressing over your prepared shredded cabbage and carrots. Use a large spoon or tongs to toss the vegetables thoroughly, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. This step is crucial for an even distribution of flavor. Finally, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld, resulting in a refreshing and delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.